Is this it? The private chambers?
I'm working.
Your new paintings.
Yeah, and this one also I'm just preparing.
Nice. So may pre-work pala siya.
Sorry?
May pre-work pala.
Yeah, it has to be dry, very dry. Okay.
A few of us very fortunate souls were invited to have dinner at the home of national artist Ryan Cayabyab and his wife Emmy. And after dinner, they took us on a tour of his workspace.
Minsan. Ay. May kulintang sinis.
Oh, si Basti gumawa nito.
Yeah.
Ayun yung pinagaram niya.
Oh, and then you've
this
got
is
Carlos.
Carlos.
Yeah. Most of us know that Mr. C has taken up painting and has become really good at it, but I didn't know that he has a pretty good art collection.
Drillon, rock drillon.
Ooh.
The husband of Stress Drillon.
Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah. This is Legazpi.
Ooh, wow.
Pen and ink. That is a Dalena.
Which one's the Delena?
That
Ooh.
one.
These are Orlinas.
Yeah. Oh, Orlinas. There are also.
Dami mong Orlinas Gusto ko yun, a lot of Orlinas.
For the next years.
I love this photo. Who took this?
And,
Beautiful. Guys, look, this is where the magic happens.
Ito yung background ng bayanihan musikahan. Sabay-sabay sa
Ayun. Oh, this is my library. The one that you want.
This is
Pero ang gulo-gulo.
Go, Aaron.
Larawan!
Maglalaway si Kero.
Oh, ito na. Look at this.
Mama, ito. I think.
Look, just this is all. These are all piezas.
Yes.
Toma.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Is it okay? So based on what? Alphabetical
Yeah,
order?
it is. Kasi merong...
Pero ba alphabetical order or depends on the type of genre? Is it
No,
like
this is entirely orchestral work and whatever.
orchestral?
This is all choral work.
Wow.
Grabe, Mr. C. Napaka mo.
And then where are and these are the musicals?
These are-
Oh my goodness!
These
Look.
are the bigger works.
Takes a lot of a lot of effort to
Look.
discipline.
Pala to, may 110 pa rin.
Yeah, halos lahat pa 100. and
Mr.
yan.
C, pwede ko silipin.
Yeah, of course.
And then
And
Mabubulot kakantahin natin.
these ones, but I will call them uncut. Wala pa siyang, hindi pa siya catalog.
Wow.
But this one are the ito yung mga recordings and piezas of the San Miguel projects.
including the Puso ng Pasko.
Right here, Pasko 1 and Pasko 2.
Oh, look
All
at this.
this entire thing is all Puso ng Pasko and Pasko.
Oh my gosh.
And it's okay to keep them in paper. I mean, like
Right, yeah.
safe naman. How do you keep it from like anay or?
This is, hopefully, it's once a month we have a pest control person checking it.
Ito yung original.
Kasi imagine. Alikabok.
Diba?
Isang
Kailangan kantahin talaga.
Oo.
Dapat mention ng show.
Mr. C took out a pieza of Ramahari translated by national artist Rolando Tino, and this is the song that my character, Dasarata, sings.
Curse of the dead is sitting on my head. I must banish him, who is blood of my blood.
Ooh!
Like a tree in autumn, my own leaf must be shed.
Wow!
During my salad days.
Salad days.
I was such a show-off. Once I played the huntsman. What I killed was a man. The curse of my victim is sitting on my head. There is nothing as bitter as the spleen of the dead.
Oh, okay ah.
I thought that my power crushed its fatal flower. But now, with all my hate, I welcome my cursed faith.
Grabe.
Fate pala. So, ano
Pero
sasabi mo?
Lando's handwriting.
Yeah. So, ano sabi mo?
Luwalhati sa kagubatan.
Ayan, ako may lalayo. Though I should now go from you, I shall leave the heart that loves you. Employ it as a cup to catch all those
That will not stop.
that
Tears, those tears.
those tears that will not stop. You know how he did it? He read kasi the pyesa. And then he
chose the words.
yeah, the rhythm, he wrote it. So now, ito na, malapit na.
Act 1 na yun. Ting.
Nawala tayo gitarama na agad.
Wala nga.
Oh my. 13, ah. It should be 12. Wala.
During a recent staging of Ramahari, we used surtitles, but there was one song that did not have an English translation. And so we were wondering where it was. And here, we find out, wala talaga.
Di man dapat. Oh.
At least yan meron. Gusto ko marinigan ng English.
Though unworthy, Reverend Blessed Hermit, I hope to receive wisdom from you.
Gusto ko yung
As what? He's sharp and tough as
Nails.
nails.
hirap sabihin nun.
The culprit is Ravana. He's sharp and tough as nails. He's shrewd and scheming. He's a scoundrel through and through.
A golden deer.
A mythic beast that travels on your golden feet. You're too bright for human eyes.
Yun naman ang translation ng Gintong Usa.
Oh, Lakshmana, you're needed by Rama. That cry is a trap. A simulated gasp by Ravana the Vile. Actually, bawat patak man. Buhay sa Kiskinda, tagistis ng ulan. I'm still hoping na merong na-trap na lyrics. Ayos na manager.
So that's in the writing of Rolando?
Yeah.
My God.
Ayun, meron. Baka meron dyan. Typewritten.
Oo nga,
Let's
no?
go up to Mitla.
Let's go out to Mitla, where Janaka is playing. Let's go out to Mitla. Let's go out to Mitla, where Janaka is playing.
Pagtikan
Host
mo.
to all the Rajas and all the prophets. Hindi ka.
Kananis.
O sige nga, tinan natin.
Pagtingnan mo na.
Gunggong tungga.
Act 2 yan.
Akto.
Yeah.
Ah, wala.
Kung ako may lalayo. Kung pasasagubat na. Wala
Will you
nga.
enter? What?
Wala.
Baka hindi talaga na gawa.
Paano kinanta ni Rick Segreto yun?
Sa ba? In-skip nila?
Oo. Baka ni-skip.
Sa mga Legrand, your famous Legrand medley, oh.
Yeah.
I sang that.
Huh?
No, it's not here.
Pepe and Pilar. Oh my God, the gold mine.
That thing I was telling you.
Look at this. Oh my goodness, iconic. Arman, iconic.
Ah, yung one.
One.
Somebody's looking for this. This is.
I was telling Mr. C that when I was a young actor at Repertory Philippines, we one time went up to Baguio. It was a 7-hour trip, and someone put on a cassette of One, and I was floored by the genius of it all.
Ito yung hindi hingi ni ano. Okay.
Paano ka na-inspire, Mr. C, gumawa ng One? Naisip mo na ako kakanta ng lahat.
Alright. I know, it just played in my head. It was playing in my head. I want to do something. And during that time, I think I was I love the music of there's this group. It's a recording group. They call themselves Singers Unlimited, and I love their work. Much of it is a cappella, and I said I want to do something like that, but I want to do it ako lang mag-isa. And before doing this, I had a chance to do some experiments, and I did a film, and I scored the film, but in one part of the film I said, what if I do an a cappella? The same, the theme. If I'm not mistaken, it might be a I don't know, maybe a Loris Gillian film, or maybe a Marilu Diaz film. I can't remember. Basta I used a cappella there, and I liked it. I said, I think I want to do a whole album na a cappella. And that's what I did. And I said, I want to do something that na kaya kong i-fund. That's why
Are you self-produced it?
yes, that's why I tell everyone, if there's anything you want to do,
Do it na.
do it. And if you have funds for it, just use your funds anyway, because you're gonna be happy. So I produced it, I recorded it, I arranged it, I paid for the recording, I paid for the licenses, and then I paid for the first 1,000 copies of the vinyl for the manufacturing. I put out all my money. I got all my money from my bank, which is about 43,000, 1981. That's all my money in the bank. 1981. 43,000. That's how much it costs to produce one. So I said, never mind if I don't make money out of it. But eventually, there was a return of investment, maybe in about 2 years, easily.
Yeah.
But it came in trickling down, trickles. But the best thing that happened to it was given a special album award by the recording industry during that time. It was called the Cecil Awards.
Yeah, I remember.
So they gave me a special album award because there's nothing like it now in the Philippines, and it's not the type that would be commercial. So they gave it. They found it to be a pioneering type of work. So they gave it a special album award. So I guess anyone who wants to do something different, something special, just do it and share with everybody. I just read something, and it now I'm gonna say it. I just read it from another post. It says that people who die bring with them all those beautiful ideas, all the beautiful things they wanted to share with the world, but they never got to share it because they died. So I'm telling you guys, if there's anything you want to share with the world, your ideas, your experiments that you think will benefit your community, that will benefit your country or whatever, just do it and share it. And make people happy with it. Don't bring it to your grave. So now what I keep on doing is, share all my music.
That is golden wisdom.
Legacy talaga.
Grabe. Sobrang daming treasures.
This is a treasure. This is a treasure trove. This is a treasure trove, Mrs. C.
It's
Treasure trove.
This is Filipino music gifted to us by a national treasure, Ryan Cayabyab.
Andiyan pang Noli? Asan ang Noli?
I am so blessed to have been able to perform some of his masterpieces.
Yeah.
Look, guys!
Nolly.
Noli!